Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the GARMIN Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the GARMIN Connect and your phone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, we can do it in two ways. The first way is probably the easiest way. So to open the app, go to More, tap on GARMIN devices, then tap on your watch Forerunner 570, then go to the notifications and alerts, tap on Smart Notifications, and then turn on the notifications. And if you don't have the required permissions, you probably will see the pop-up about the permissions and you will need to tap on Allow to allow them. I already have the permissions allowed, unfortunately, so I need to find them on my phone to show you how to do it. And to do it, you can open the settings, go to Notifications, and here look for the option called something like Notification Read, Reply and Control, Notification Control, maybe a Notification Access, something about that. Basically something about controlling the which apps can and devices can read the notifications. You need to find one of these, this option. It's called differently on different Androids, unfortunately, which is going to be probably harder to find. But that's how this menu looks like. You have a list of allowed and not allowed. And what you need to do is to find the GARMIN Connect application. You need to tap on it, and here we have allow notification access option, and you need to allow it. So this needs to be enabled. So if it's disabled for you, you need to tap on the switch, tap on allow, and once it's enabled, you can then go back and also check the notifications. So you can tap on app notifications and check if the notifications for the apps you want to receive the notifications from are enabled. I want to see the Discord notifications that are enabled, so we're fine. Okay, and now we can go back to the GARMIN Connect, More, GARMIN devices, and then tap on Forerunner 570, of course. Here we can tap on Notifications and Alerts, and Smart Notifications. Make sure that the notifications are enabled. Once they are, you can customize the settings for them. You can customize settings for calls, texts, and apps, also privacy, timeout, and signature. Calls, basically notifications from about calls and stuff like that. You can turn them on or off. You can turn on or off of the tone, the beep, the sound for it, and you can also turn on or off the vibration. And you can change the vibration pattern as well. So if you tap on vibration options, come on up, let's do it. You can basically select different patterns. Okay, so same for the texts, same for the apps and calls. All of the three types of notifications you can customize in the same manner. Basically, you can enable or disable the notifications, you can change or enable and disable the tone or vibration, and you can change the vibration pattern. Okay. The privacy option is basically if you select, for example, press start or gesture, it will obscure the notification content, and to reveal it, you will need to either press the start button or gesture, so perform the wrist gesture to reveal it. Of course, if it's off, then the option is disabled. Then we have timeout. This is how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it, and you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. Select the one you like, of course, and then you have signature option. You can turn it on or off. Okay, and once you're done with the settings for the notifications, go back to this page, to the settings page, sync your watch with your phone, and once it's done syncing, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch, which means that it's working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.